One more time. Okay, so we go to our apps. We go to Classroom. We see all of our classes, but I want to look at Calendar View. I'm going to choose just the homeroom at first. If you're period 2, it's blue. If you're period 3, it's green, but they look the same. Each of my classes have some students who are going to see something pop up on Monday that's past due. Then we have our attendance question. Notice what's due on Friday. It says week 5 writing workshop that we're going to do during Zoom. We're going to do some on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we're going to turn it in and we're going to share with each other on Friday. Tomorrow, we're going to do some small group work on plot using Act Your Age. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to work on the story Blue Sky Home. I didn't post it yet, but on Thursday, we're going to do some more plot work. Okay, that is what we're doing for homeroom, whether it be the blue class or green class. Notice if you have something posted on Monday because you have late work. I tried to repost that for you. Then we go through grammar. What's our grammar work for the week? It says small group spelling inventory. A few of you still need to catch up, and a few of you still haven't done your typing club. We will have a go for green this week. Every week we'll have a go for green. Morphology. Today we're going to take a spelling practice test for our Wordly Wise Lesson 1 words. It's going to be on a Google form, multiple choice. You're not going to have to type anything in. And we're all going to take our lesson test for Wordly Wise level Lesson 1. Many of you have already taken it. This is only for Axel. He has some English vocabulary that only he sees that he's working on. And assignment 4 for morphology is bio, means life, like biography, biology, bioluminescent. And we're only having 1 week to do Exploros now. So we're going to do lesson 2 this week, and it's due Friday. That is our word study for the week. Focus here. We're going to have Morphology 4, Bio, and Exploros Wordly Wise Lesson 2, which we'll go over in just a minute. And then independent reading did not show up. Oops. Okay, because I posted it here. Okay, so your reading log 3 is due today. So make sure that you have put in your broad reading. Okay, the goal is 100 pages. You may not be there yet. That's okay. Yes, I would count if you're listening along to something as reading. That's also very good for your vocabulary development. Remember, you have scope, you have epic, you have common lit, you have ways to find different things to read. You also have your literature book. Those of you who are in science right now can use Science World as your nonfiction part. Okay, so that is our work for the week. Every Monday, we'll have a spelling check and a reading log due. Every Friday, we'll have 2 word study things due, Exploros and Morphology. Every day, we'll have something that we do in our reading and writing workshop. And every Thursday, you'll have Go for Green and Quill. And that is our routine. We're going to keep that up, so it'll get easier and easier for you.